Did you know YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world? If your business is not using YouTube properly, you're leaving money on the table. Today, I'll tell you why your business needs a YouTube marketer. Reason 1: See visibility reach. YouTube has over 2.7 billion active users. A YouTube marketer helps your business reach the right audience with the right strategy. Reason 2: See SEO power. A marketer uses keywords, tags, and descriptions to rank your videos higher not just on YouTube, but also on Google search results. Reason 3: See engagement trust. People trust videos more than ads or text. A marketer helps you create engaging content that turns viewers into loyal customers. Reason 4: See save time, grow faster. Instead of wasting hours guessing what works, a YouTube marketer applies proven strategies to grow your business faster. So, if you want more views, subscribers, and sales, don't ignore YouTube marketing. Hire a professional YouTube marketer and see the difference it makes for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you're ready to grow your business with YouTube marketing, reach out today.